In case anybody's interested, this is where I live on the boat. Well, on this boat. Got TV, internet. There's my bunk down there. Just throw all my clothes up on the top. I got a couple closets. And then this is the hallway. One of the bathrooms are in there. Let's see, we got a TV room for the guys where they can eat and watch TV. Big boy, say hi. There we go. Another TV room. There's the Scuda galley.
That's just on Tuesday.
That's just on Tuesday, yeah. Here's where the cook, keep the cook. And we got a hallway back here, and this is where we keep a lot of the food, all the dry storage. And these are the bunk rooms on both sides where all the divers and sleep. There's the decompression chambers. This is what we put the divers in when they were down in the water for a while. They got to come up and decompress them. They stick them in there. Let's go back out this way. This is just going to be a short little video because I'll make another one later. Here's where we do our laundry, or get our laundry done, depending on. And this goes out to the back of the boat. Deck where they're doing all the work. And I'll do another little, we're coming back out again tomorrow, and I'll do another little video tomorrow. I'll walk around the top deck. This goes down below. Matter of fact, we can go down here real quick. This is where they store a lot of their stuff for the divers. Keep a storage room down here. We'll come over here real quick. We got a place where we can work out, do weights, some other things. They got a little punching bag and a few things, so it's not too bad. But I'll do another one where I walk around the top of the boat upstairs where the bridge is and where they drive the boat and everything, and I'll go up on the deck tomorrow and take a movie of the anchors. Everybody have a good day.